It's a huge myth that you have to talk about your personal life and your kids and your most intimate secrets if you're going to be active in social media, especially video. A lot of people, oh, I know not you, but a lot of people use that as an excuse as to why they can't speak out on video, promote their business, promote their passions on social media video. Well, the truth is, you don't have to talk about your kids. You don't have to talk about your love life. You don't have to talk about anything you don't want to talk about. You can simply focus on ideas that are valuable to other people. So stop using that as an excuse. It just doesn't hold any water. The beauty of social media is you're in charge. You're not going in front of a bunch of reporters. You're not going on network TV entertainment shows where they might ask you about who you're dating and all that stuff. You are in control, but you need to take it. Take your finger, hit record, start speaking and sharing your ideas with the world.